When I look at this painting, the first thing I notice is all the warm colors. The reds and the oranges and yellows on the walls. My eyes then notice the more receding colors, like the window with the purple sunset, and the blue tiles on the floors and the arches. Everything about this piece seems very soft and rounded, from the watermelon to the bowls and the baskets. All of the shapes seem soft and round and circular and inviting to me. Although the painting has a lot going on and seems very busy, it also has a balanced feel, probably because there's a foreground and a middle ground and a background. I also find balance being able to see 3 females and 3 males in the painting. Everyone seems together, yet they're doing their own thing. There's a caged bird and a lonely puppy dog under the table. And it gives me a very calming, sleepy, and peaceful emotion. The main character seems like the woman in the top right corner, who, according to the title, is probably the abuela, and my eye is immediately drawn to her because of the rule of thirds and the tile on the back below the window. That sharp line draws my eye immediately to her. Because of this, I also think the title would have to be about her. Or maybe about waiting for dinner. Because everyone else, or at least the men, seem to be waiting for the dinner to be cooked. I think the story of the painting starts outside with the flowers and the donkey and slowly brings you in to the inside and then to the window outside. When I look at it, I think what draws it in is having similar things in the foreground and also the background. For example, the bananas hanging up front, but also in the back. The plants hanging up front, but also in the back. I think what the artist would do first is draw out the quote-unquote floor plan of the house and how they want the perspective to be. I'm not sure how you can tell the age of the painting. However, the artist doesn't give any hints of modern day technology in the kitchen or with any of the subjects. I do believe that this painting is art, and I think that because it is clearly an expression of the artist and the world around them and their experience. I think we look at art sometimes to try and experience what someone else has experienced and see how it relates to us and understand someone else's perspective. I don't think that art needs to be beautiful in order for us to do that. I think the powerful thing about art is even if it's not beautiful, it still has the power to change the lives of the viewer For me, I'm able to see perhaps a different culture or a different family when I look into this painting.